giant frog or turtle which supported the earth moved, which causes the cosmic ocean to begin flooding the earth. An old man who had guessed something like this would happen built an iron-reinforced raft, boarded it with his family, and was saved. When the waters receded, the raft was left on a high wooded mountain, where, it is said, it remains today. After the flood, Kiza Tashinga Kiara Khan created everything around us. Among other things, he taught people how to make strong liquor. The ocean was once enclosed in a small pot kept by a man and his wife under the roof of their hut to fill their larger pots. The man told his daughter-in-law never to touch it because it contained their sacred ancestors. But she grew curious and touched it. It shattered and the resulting flood drowned everything. As a girl was grounding flour, a goat came to lick it. She first drove it away, but when it came back, she allowed it to lick it as much as it could. In return for the kindness, the goat told her that there would be a flood that day, and advised her and her brothers to run elsewhere immediately. They escaped with a few belongings and looked back to see water covering their village. After the flood, they lived on their own for many years, unable to find mates. The goat reappeared and said that they could marry themselves, but they would have to put a hoe handle and a clay pot with a broken bottom on their roof to signify that they are relatives. Allah sent Noah to warn the people to serve none but Allah, but most of them would not listen. They challenged Noah to make good his threats and mocked him when, under Allah's inspiration, he built a ship. Allah told Noah not to speak to him on behalf of wrongdoers. They would be drowned. In time, water gushed from underground and it fell from the sky. Noah loaded onto the ship pears of all kinds, his household and those few who believed. One of Noah's sons didn't believe and said he would seek safety in the mountains. He was among the drowned. The ship sailed amid great waves. Allah commanded the earth to swallow the water and the sky to clear, and the ship came to rest on Al-Judi. Noah complained to Allah for taking his son. Allah admonished that the son was an evildoer and not of Noah's household, and Noah prayed for forgiveness. Allah told Noah to go with blessings on him, and on some nations that will arise from those with him. People have become rebellious. Aten said he would destroy all he made and return to the earth the primal order water which was its original state. Aten will remain in the form of a serpent with Osiris. Manu, the first human, found a small fish in his washwater. The fish begged protection from the larger fishes in return for which it would save Manu. Manu kept the fish safe, transferring it to a larger and larger reservoirs as it grew, eventually taking it to the ocean. The fish warned Manu of a coming deluge and told him to build a ship. When the flood rose, the fish came, and Manu tied the craft to the shore. The fish led him to a northern mountain and told Manu to tie the ship's rope to trees. This is quite cool though, this one. The fish led him to northern mountain and told Manu to tie the ship's rope to the trees.
That was one point there, there was a really sick beat in there. I'm just worried you can't hear the pops.